Hello YouTube, and we are back with part 2 of Classic Box Breaks 1993-1994 Fleer Ultra Series 1. We are looking for that ever elusive Jordan Scoring Kings. If you didn't watch the first episode, we pulled a Larry Johnson, and it is in amazing shape. It's going to grade well. So, let's just go and break right into it. What we found out in the first box is that the inserts are going to be right on top. So there's no need for me to flip through all the cards, which in the long run really helps because these cards are really stuck together. The glossy finish really leads to some extreme sticking of cards, and it takes a long time to pull them apart one by one. So, we kind of ruined it. I didn't do it first. I was going to reach over here, going to grab my lucky Josh Smith bobblehead and give him a tap. Come on, Jace, move. Bring me some luck. Okay. And away we go. This time, instead of pulling them out singly, yeah. Let's just go ahead. Flippy dip. There we go. Second, fold up this box. So we're just going to break at a breakneck speed. We're just going to pop it open. We're going to check the top cards on both sides. If we don't see anything, we're going to go on to the next. And if I happen to find something after, well, I'll show you. So this is going to be probably my quickest break thus far. I have a tendency to talk a little too much. And nothing. This pack's actually half broken already. It's kind of weird for a sealed box to have a broken open pack. Nothing. Scott Skiles, Grant Long. Nothing. Ronnie Cycli. Nope. Bloop. I'll try and keep this under 10 minutes. James Worthy. And Karl Malone career highlights. Oh! Sorry there. Card number 1. Probably no one cares. But you know what? Just because I'm a little obsessive compulsive, go ahead and put that in there anyway. And nothing. Ooh. Okay. Hope there's not a Scoring Kings in here, because nope. Nothing. Pearl Jam. We're a third of the way through in 5 minutes. Oh, whoop, fourth of the way through, sorry. Once again, giving me a little problems. Karl Malone career highlights. So we got those out of the way. Number 4. So my set of Karl Malone career highlights is 40% complete. After cracking 2 boxes of these. Keep it going, carefully, but quickly. Nothing here. Seems like the inserts have been popping up on this side so far in this box, so nothing. Nope. Nope. Already had a few hits at this point in the last box, so I don't know, take that with a grain of salt, or I am thinking I see an all-rookie back, so there's an all-rookie on the bottom of this. Nope, there is a hit though, John Stockton, all-NBA. Second team. Gosh, I hope I don't get a double of that. Alright. Last box, I got a double Charles Barkley and a double Shaq. Double John Stockton wouldn't be any fun. No one wants double John Stocktons. Yeah, this might, the way these inserts are popping on this one, we might have a surprise on our hands when we flip it over at some point. So, or we might have a Bobby Hurley. Nope. Nope. Boy, halfway through the box and we've had one hit. And I don't consider the Karl Malones real hits. Nothing. Alright, halfway through, 18 packs to go. Come on, Jordan. Okay, I see an all-NBA, maybe an all-rookie on the bottom of this. Patrick Ewing. All-NBA. Second team. Should go very nicely with my Patrick Ewing all-second team I got in the last box. I think. I don't even remember now. Yes. Bobby Hurley on the top of a lot of them. Whoops. Nope. Antoine Carr and Brian Shaw. This one feels lucky. Oh! Yeah, feels lucky, alright. There you go. How disrespectful for you to appear in my pack. Alonzo Mourning, save that one. Probably not worth a lot, but I like it. And this guy? There we go. We just broke the curse of Christian Laettner in this box. Hate him. Timberwolves fan, can't stand him. We are looking at a Karl Malone posing in some nice khaki shorts. Okay, it's a little odd. 1992-1993 saw Karl Malone, fresh off Olympic success, pillage all over the NBA for his usually nightly 2010 double-double, earning him a second All-Star MVP along the way. But when all is said and done, Karl probably would have rather been seated behind the wheel of his uniquely decorated 18-wheel rig, hauling a load down the endless blacktop. Basketball is my love. But this... Wait a minute, sorry. Basketball is my job. But this is my love. Ugh. Okay, that's not good. We don't want to get extra Karl Malone set cards in here. This is not what we want. We want extra good stuff. We want extra scoring kings. We want... See, here we go. I didn't even get one of these in the last box. An actual Jordan base card. Didn't even get one. So is that a sign the scoring king it won't be far behind? Stay tuned. We don't have many packs left. Okay. Looks like an all rookie, and it's a white guy. I'm going to go Tom Googs. Tom Gigliotta, all rookie. That card is smashed up. This corner is bad, and if I can get a nice little reflection going here, you can see that there is some, right here, some pretty nasty foil scuffing. Foil kind of stayed on there. Okay. It scares me when we're pulling scoring kings out of these. It frightens me. So the scoring king is pretty much the hit we're looking for. Everything else at this point is a bonus, according to the pack odds. Jeff Malone. Nothing. Gently. Not what I want to see. 7 packs left. Scoring king better be around the corner here. Making me a little nervous. Daryl Dawkins, Kevin Johnson. Six to go. Dennis Rodman, Anthony Mason. Five packs. Got another. Are you kidding me? This is the third one of these in the last 2 boxes I pulled. I'm not even putting that in a penny. Muggsy Bogues, Kevin Johnson. Getting a little frightening. Tyrone Corbin, Derek McKee. Nope, not on the top. In the final pack, I think we got screwed. Another Larry Johnson scoring king. Fuck! Not much more to say about it than this. This has been a classic box break. Flair Ultra, Series 1, 93-94, otherwise known as pull a Larry Johnson scoring king out of every box. See you next time.